Oh yes, Father, you have been a faithful God from the beginning to the end. I don't know what you are going through. I want to tell you that God is ever faithful. Just be patient with Him. He will not fail you because He has never failed. Unchangeable God is His name. Hallelujah. I have a God that never fails. I have a Father that liveth forever. His name is Jesus, ever faithful. Darling Jesus, ever lovely. My rock of ages, my solid rock. My comforter in time of sorrow. My second on my darkest time. The only defender of my soul, Jesus.
You are greater than all my problems.
You are greater.
You are higher than all my trials.
You are higher, oh Lord.
You are bigger than every mountain.
Bigger, greater.
Mountains melt at your presence.
You are greater.
You are greater than all my problems.
Oh
You are
Lord.
higher than all my trials.
Almighty
You
God.
are bigger than every mountain.
Lord, oh Lord.
Mountains melt at your presence.
You are greater than all my problems. You are higher than all my trials. You are bigger than every mountain. Oh Lord, you are the most powerful God. Nobody can question your actions. Nobody can challenge your powers. You are the pillar that holds my life. I call you the most excellency. Child of God, put your trust in God. Isike okolo biginji. Odila gị kolilanya gabula. Enwere Chukwu onye na-asa efere. Ọ dịghị ihe ka na-apụghị imere gị. A sịkwa na ị ga-atụkwasị obi gị n'ime ya. Nwaanyị na-achọ nwa n'elu ụwa nwanne m. Chere aka Chineke ga-ekunye gị nwa. He is God who is so faithful. He can never fail to His word. Hichanya mmiri gị ebezila. Ihe ahụ siri ike emejọ ka dị mma. Put your trust in my Jehovah. He will surely restore your joy. Oh,
You are greater than all my problems.
you are greater.
You are higher than all my trials.
You are higher, oh
You are
Lord.
bigger than every
Oh
mountain.
Lord, oh Lord.
Mountains melt at your presence.
Greater.
Greater than all my problems.
My Father.
You are higher than all my
Onye ọma
trials.
na-eme mma
You
wowo.
are bigger than every mountain.
Oh Lord.
Mountains melt at your presence.
Those who put their trust in you, they are like Mountain Zion. You never allow them to be put to shame. Oh Lord, you are my all in all. You are my strength in my weakness, and I have confidence in you. You are the Father of my soul, the foundation of my life, up the mountain, down the valley, on the land and in the sea. The Lord is my portion, in the land of the living. You make a way for me, where it seems to be no way. You gave me hope when no hope is lost. Oh Lord, I salute you. When are so